Maybe I am a video, and now I'm making a video.
Sexy video.
Ooh, video.
Video.
All our videos are.
Do you know what gets videos ratings? Naked people.
Nico, keep your pants on.
My exposed finger.
Oh, naked finger. My mom. Coolest mom in the world.
MySpace mom.
My mom was on my Stickam last night.
Was she really?
She was talking to everybody in my room.
She was where?
On my Stickam, on my webcam. It's like MySpace with a webcam.
Really?
Yeah,
I want one.
talking.
I have an account, but I don't have a webcam. I'm excited because we still have to make our
You should come in
Stickam.
you should come in my room, but don't lurk me. I hate lurkers. If I could kick them, I would.
Just a message to all you.
If you're a Stickam lurker, stop. Don't be one.
He'll kick you in the vagina.
Bitch. I hate Stickam lurkers. They're annoying.
Dude, no. You
What?
need to give me the link to yours. Cause
I don't
last
have a
night
link. I haven't figured out how to make my
my butt itches.
you know. Try Nico_narcotic in brackets.
Diet Coke, the drink of champions. Nico, pants on. There's something about Nico in videos that he just has to get naked.
Yes. I will be a porn star when. Oh, which by the way, did you hear about the VMAs? Tommy Lee got kicked out because Kid Rock beat his ass.
Are
Yeah, they
you?
got into a fight.
Yeah, I didn't watch all of that. Wish I did. I saw Britney Spears lip sync.
Yeah. Did you see how heavy she is?
Yeah, she got
Lord have mercy. They had a field day with her today on TV.
I was listening to the radio. They're like, "Hey, did you guys see Britney Spears? What a hooch!"
She was like shaking
That's
her
what
butt.
Mrs. Elsie said. She called her a hooch
She called her a
too.
hooch.
She wasn't wearing any clothes like at all.
I know, she's a mom. What the fuck?
My mom ever did that.
She
Mama Gort,
what?
come on.
She was awful.
Well, I know.
Absolutely awful.
Oh my! I'm gonna go shopping with you. We're gonna get you a nice mini skirt of two.
No, you're not.
Yeah, we
Not
are.
to my mother.
Yes, we're gonna go.
I have a mini skirt. I have a leather
does.
one.
We're gonna go
I
walk
have a
around.
leather bra,
We're gonna go walk
too.
around a trailer park together. Trailer park buzz to the end.
Yes.
I have a girlfriend that runs 2 trailers.